Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Drones in 2025 are leveling up fast. Whether you want ultra-portable gear, pro video payloads, or flying machines built for creatives, DJI has something for every pilot. Today, we're counting down the top 5 DJI drones you should know about this year. Rounding out the list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a proven workhorse for videographers and aerial photographers. Its triple camera setup, including a Hasselblad 4/3 sensor, still delivers outstanding image quality, color fidelity, and zoom telephoto options. It doesn't match the flight time or some of the newest features of the Mavic 4 Pro, but if you want excellent cinematic output and solid reliability, the 3 Pro remains a highly respected pick. Don't sleep on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's still a very strong option, especially if your budget isn't aiming for the top flagship. It gives you omnidirectional vision sensing, excellent video and photo quality with its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, and very solid flight time in its class. While it lacks some of the newest extras of the Mini 5 Pro, at its price point, it's hard to beat for lightweight creators who want high quality. The DJI Air 3S strikes a middle ground for prosumer users. It features dual camera setup, a 1-inch wide-angle sensor, plus a 1/1.3-inch telephoto, giving you flexibility for wide aerial shots and zoom compositions. You also get long flight times, approximately 45 minutes, advanced obstacle detection, and robust video capabilities with HDR support. If you need a drone that can do more than just fly and shoot wide, this one's for you. If you want something much more portable without sacrificing capability, the new DJI Mini 5 Pro is a game changer. Weighing just under 250 grams, it sports a 1-inch sensor with 50 megapixel stills, capable of shooting 4K at 120 frames per second, plus 10-bit video in D-Log-M. It also introduces forward-facing LiDAR for better obstacle sensing, including in dim light, and has a 225-degree roll gimbal for dynamic shots, including vertical video. Flight time reaches up to approximately 36 minutes, a perfect blend of portability and performance. Topping our list is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, DJI's current flagship consumer drone. It features a triple camera setup headed by a 100-megapixel, 4x3-inch Hasselblad wide-angle sensor capable of shooting 6K 60 frames per second video. Along with that, it delivers up to 51 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, even in low light, and a 360-degree rotating gimbal for creative control. Yes, it's premium and pricey, but for quality aerial filmmakers, it may be the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching.